talaga siya kumain. Anyway. Ano tayo, time lapse ko lang. We're at a coffee shop near... Ginawang mic. Hindi. We're at a coffee shop near our dorm. And it's a Monday. So, ano ko to? 1 week review before examination. Gumawa ako ganito para mas organized. Meron din ako sa notes, pero para alam ko lang kung ano-ano. Uulitin ko siya kasi na-OCD ako. Pangit. Nagsama ang dalawang mahirap. Kasi... May sugar. Hindi pala talaga nila nalagyan. Nakalimutan. Tapos titiisin mo pa kanina. Halatang may cream yung akin. Halatang may
Straight up rejection.
You don't like matcha? Hindi nga pala siya matcha.
Oh? Ano yun? Difference ng drink namin.
Ayoko na chocolate talaga.
Ayoko lang matcha. Mas ayaw ko na
Rejection. Dami nangyayari. Naasikaso ko pa yung sigarilyo. Mukha lang ko konti. Pero madami yan. Ay, may deadline pa pala. There we go. Diba? Yung kadarm ko tumatawa na dun siya, oh. Masaya yan siya. Masaya yan siya, oh. Umuwi na ako kasi I didn't feel like staying there. And, I don't know, I'm sad, I'm stressed. A lot of things are happening to my dogs. And it's stressing me out kasi I can't really go home since exam week na next week. So it took me 3 hours to finish this whole damn index card, and isa pa lang yung na-check off ko sa list ko, and I couldn't really vlog there kasi I got shy. I don't know why, but at least I'm done with this index. All I have to do is i-perfect yung structure or i-draw. But anyway, bukas na yung quiz na to, so okay na rin kasi may mga naaalala naman ako. Okay, next I'll be doing the group notebook. We still have to study. So, I guess I'll update na lang kapag madami na ako natatapos. So, I can call this day productive despite the things I'm thinking. Hi guys. Time check. It's 12:37 midnight and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 yung natapos ko sa to-do ko. But before I sleep, I am going to like read some of this index cards para pampano. So, hey guys. So, it's a Tuesday and it's my busy day. Tuesday and Thursdays are my busy days kasi I'm like whole day nasa school. So I just got home and it's already 6:43. Also, I'm starting to like this now. But here, I don't know, I just really wanna vlog for this week kasi I always want na mag-study a week before exam para lang makapasa and mag-prepare para hindi na ako gahol pagdating sa exam day. Kasi usually, 2 nights before exam or 2 nights before that scheduled subject, saka ako nagre-review talaga. But this time, oh my god, dinner. Wala. Wala. Grabe. Time check. Lights off na. Pero, one na. May nagawa naman ako. Ang mahalaga, may nagagawa. Finish ko na. Okay. Good night. Guys, mag-take kami ng separate twist. Maggi. Ang layo ng sagot ko sa inyo. Nakakainis. Lito ako dyan. English nga.
Hindi nakakaintindi nga ng Tagalog.
I'm with Charles. Sakay. Ang cute! Ang cute! Time check. It's 9:03. Apiran mo ako. I wasted 3 fucking index card. Bro. Time check. 9:24. Dalawa pa rin nagagawa ko. We're packing up because I can't anymore. Ay, nagkaroon siya ng dent. Pwede pa ba ito mapaayos? Anyway, I just got home. Nagpalit na ako and everything. But I'm kind of sleepy, so magbabawi ako ng tulog. And last night, mga 2 na ako natapos mag-3. Buti na lang na-move yung class ko ng 8 AM or else. Oh, so groggy. This is what I did. Consumed a lot of my time. Also kasi there's a lot of commercials. Again. So, time check. It's 7:41 and I just plan on eating here. And right now, I am studying. And I missed a quiz earlier kasi a lot has been happening. So, sana makonsider pa later. Kasi sobrang strict talaga ng most of the profs sa School of Pharmacy. And may mga excuses na hindi nila tatanggapin. Like, kapag na-miss mo, bawi ka na lang. Mas okay pang may reduction kesa sa 0. Swear, isa talaga yan sa naano ko sa college. Ikaw maghahabol sa prof, ikaw gagawa ng grades mo. So, as much as possible, pumasok ka, huwag kang umabsent. And if magagawa ng paraan, go. So, I already talked to my prof and lagpas na ng school hours, so bukas yun na ako mababalikan. Anyway, this is driving me nuts. Isa pa lang naka-cross out to sa list and I'm getting OCD. I wanna finish a lot. So, simula na nag-college ako, until now, naghahanap pa rin ako ng magandang study technique. Nung first year, I really wrote. Nagsulat talaga ako, pero it was, you know, still time-consuming. And ngayon lang ako nag-trances na ganito ngayong college. Nung second year naman, I tried making my own trances and it's also still time-consuming. Gusto ko na susulat ko, nalalagay ko lahat. Meron ng notes, meron pang galing oral discussion, meron pang own notes mo. So, yun. Kaya sobrang time-consuming din. And then, now na third year and like, ang dami kong, you know, subjects. Like, parang mas kailangan ko talaga mag-focus ngayon sa mismong pag-aaral na kailangan kong intindihin yung subject. So, imbes na mag-notes, nag-transess na lang ako. I did try before yung habang nag-blurt out ako ng mga sinasabi, I'm writing on a piece of paper and guri-guri lang siya. And that's really helpful kasi parang sinusulat mo yung naiisip mo pero guri nga lang. So, ang ending, may malaking mark of gure-gure dyan sa paper mo. And it was effective for me, but I don't really do it often. And then, what really helps me, guys, is eto, mag-whiteboard. Actually, may binili na nga akong malaki para ilalagay na lang sa wall. But, I still don't know where to put it here. And I also have a small one. So, habang nagbabasa ako ng chances, uulit-ulitin ko siya dito sa whiteboard hanggang sa makabisado ko, hanggang sa magets ko siya. So, until now, gusto ko pa rin nagno-notes. That's why I do a lot of this. And also, this. Like, oh my god. I had to print another one para lang maayos ko to. And that would also serve as my reviewer na. So yun, dami ko nang sinabi. Anything about college study. I'm sure a lot of us is still looking for an effective one for all of us. But as long as you're passing the subject, as long as you're studying, do it. As long as it helps you. Pero kapag wala na talaga pumapasok sa isip mo, wag mo nang ipilit, matulog ka na lang. Go rest, go eat, go do all that. But right now, I'm just about to start and it's already 7. I still have a long way to go. Because micro is effing me up. Like, it's so a lot talaga. So, yeah. Later. It's a Friday, right? It's a Friday. I'm with my friends. Papunta pa lang si Marian. And we haven't eaten pa. Alam mo, sana yung usapan natin kanina, vlinog ko din eh. Tapos ate isang ano lang, 1 piece chicken at saka rice. Flavor? Ano bang chicken? Garlic, spicy, ano? Available ba snow? Next part is snow. Tamo, nag-vlog ko yung most boring scenes. Pero pag may entry talaga,
Ang baba kasi. Yung tumugtog. Yung nagsa-church lang.
It's 2. And I'm done reviewing for my laboratory. And kung ano na-review ko doon, halos same lang din sa lecture. Bala kong gumising ng 5 a.m. Night, guys. Good morning. I'm on my way. Around 10:03 and my quiz is at 11.
Lagi?
Lagi!
Wala namang Iron Man dun sa...
Wala na! Hindi lumabas si Captain America. Wala naman ako nakitang Family Guy pati Ninja Turtles na papay.
Turtle Ninja.
Turtle
ba? Turtle Ninja.
Gumaga!
Yung sprinkles. Ayun, para mga sprinkles.
May tapos Bili lang ako ng kape.
Pagod na
Ako lang. Hi guys. Good morning. Morning because it's 12. So, umidlip ako. Natulog ako mga, I don't know, 8. Kakatapos ko lang mag-skincare. Tapos I was so tired kasi puro kami quiz ngayon. But, natapos ako. Anyway, right now, ano gagawin ko? I'll update my tracker and then make plans, make, scheduled reviews for next week. And then, maglilist ako ng exam schedule ko and yung coverage. And also, ayusin na yung mga reviewers ko for tomorrow. And then, I can go to sleep again. Okay, I'll start. It is almost 3. Okay, going to bed. Night, guys. Hi, guys. Good morning. So, it's already like around 7:30. My exam is at like 8. And I still want to buy coffee. Bakit hindi pa nagaan? I don't think I'll be able to vlog enough for this whole week kasi I'll be really locked in or I'll be really studying. So, but I'll vlog as much as I can. Anyway, have to go.